You are going to absolutely love this Riverside home with its open floor plan. It is truly a stunning place, featuring 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and a spacious living area of 1,649 square feet. It's situated on a large 0.15 acre lot size, and there's plenty of room to enjoy. As soon as you step inside, you will be greeted by a beautiful high vaulted ceiling in the living room, giving it a modern and stylish touch. The kitchen is a true highlight, boasting granite countertops, a dishwasher, and a convenient built-in microwave. Imagine preparing delicious meals while enjoying the company of your loved ones. The living room also offers a cozy fireplace, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. From there, you can easily admire the backyard and entertain your guests during parties and family gatherings. The master bedroom is a real treat, complete with an ensuite bathroom and a spacious walk-in closet. Additionally, there are 2 more bedrooms, each equipped with ceiling fans to keep you comfortable. Parking is a breeze with a 2-car garage, featuring a remote opener too. And you will stay comfortable year-round with the central heating and air conditioning system. Outside, the backyard is simply beautiful, featuring a lovely patio area and a large grassy space too. It's the perfect setting for outdoor activities and relaxation. Conveniently located near the 91 freeway, shopping centers, schools, and community parks, this home offers both comfort and convenience. Truly an entertainer's delight, this home is ready for you to make it your own. Let us help you make this house into your dream home.